Hi, Stefano Molea here, San Diego criminal attorney and partner at the law office of David P. Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I'll be discussing what a Jewell plea means in federal court. Anytime there is a criminal act alleged, the law requires the prosecution to prove the mental state of the person charged in connection with the illegal act. For example, in a transportation of a controlled substance at the border case, the prosecution has to prove that controlled substances are brought into the United States and that the person knew that it was some kind of controlled substance, even though not a specific substance is required. If they enter a guilty plea, they would be fully admitting both of these elements. When it's a Jewell plea, the second element about the person's knowledge changes to the person knew or was aware of a high probability that in the vehicle was a federally controlled substance, although he did not know what type and deliberately avoided learning the truth. If the person believed that he was carrying something other than a controlled substance, say money or a protected fish delicacy, for example, but there is a concern about whether a jury would not believe the person's belief as being reasonable, then a Jewell plea is something to consider. With a Jewell plea, at sentencing as a criminal defense lawyer, I can better argue that my client is less culpable than someone who knew exactly what they were transporting. And it can also help in other arguments to reduce the potential of substantial prison time or prison time at all. So that's the overview of a Jewell plea. If you have any questions, give me a call. Stefano Molea, San Diego criminal defense lawyer, 619-295-3555.